let me show you the unique features of our new open space layout. This layout for Mercedes Sprinter 170 wheelbase is unique because it combines a seating area in the front with a dinette in the back. A galley with a countertop extension creates an additional seating place. This allows for 3 work or dine stations inside one van in total. The fridge is conveniently placed at a high position. The bathroom setup in this van is one of the most convenient in the market. The shower stall is spacious thanks to the flat shower pan with 4 drains in each corner. The toilet is a Genious sliding design that doesn't get in the way of showering and easily slides out only when needed. Dinette zone is spacious with a swivel table. Water and electrical system are conveniently placed under the dinette. That transforms into a large bed that allows sleeping from north to south. The unique feature of this dinette is that we have saved space under the bed for the storage. That means you can still fit your mountain bike or camping gear here. Write your comments below about what you like about it or what you may want to improve.